Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix slow downloading speed on Safari. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open Control Center. Before changing any settings, check your internet connection because slow downloads are often caused by a weak network. If your connection is unstable, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or switching networks. Now, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected properly. If the connection seems slow, turn it off for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If the problem continues, go back to the home screen and open the Settings app. This is where you can access additional settings that may affect Safari performance. Many download issues can be resolved through simple system adjustments. So let's continue from here. Now check whether a VPN is enabled on your device. If a VPN is active, try turning it off temporarily. Some VPN connections can reduce browsing and download speeds depending on the server being used. After disabling it, test Safari again. Next, tap on General and then select Software Update. Check whether a new iOS update is available for your device. Software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can affect Safari. If an update is available, install it and wait for the device to restart. Finally, restart your iPhone. A restart clears temporary system issues and refreshes background processes. Once the phone turns back on, open Safari and try downloading the file again. In many cases, this helps restore normal download speeds. And that's how you can fix slow downloading speed on Safari, step by step. These simple checks can help improve download performance and solve common connection issues. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tech tutorials.